possible. The Culture and Climate Committee, Miss Darnell, Cody Lane, Miss Jumbler, Callie Colley, Miss Murphy, Miss Chambers, and Sam Chow. All right. I'm going to call out the names of students, 5 teams of students. Team number 1, all teams just come on down by the basketball goal and get a seat. Team number 1, Pamela Ross. Come on down, Pamela. Jenna Green. Carson Johnson. Michael Paul Castleberry. Luke Janik. And Lexi Miller. Team number 1. Team number 2, Kinsey Sherman, Jasmine Rosicki, Lauren Miller, Brooke Boyd, Nathan Mason, and Dylan Demo Morris. Get out there, Demo. Group number 3, Team 3, Jacob Mason, CJ Bulldog Hendrick, Abby Harris Auction and Realty, Carly Burger King, Michaela Oscar Meyer, and Emma O. Henry. Team 3. Team 4, Tucker, gotta love it. Clayton Action Jackson, Emily Storman Norman, Sydney Elmer Rudd, Caitlin Overlay, Smile Be a Pal Harrington. That's team number 4. Allie Seminoles, team 5. Allie Knowles, Attack Martin, Klein Johnson and Johnson, Hannah Your Soul Whittington, Sydney Quit Smothers and Me, and Travis Step on Attack. That's team 5. First person who buzzes in, shorts and skirts should be no shorter than how many inches above the knee? Mr. Mason. 4 inches is correct! Come on, Mr. Mason, get over here! They've got 30 seconds to dig in and get as many worms out as possible. This is going to be messy. When Michael Paul's ready. Are we ready? Get set! Go! Get those worms! Get those worms! Sydney, come on! Put the worms on the side! Oh my goodness! CJ, what are you doing? Clayton, come on! Get the worm! Time up! Time up! Look at this! Get a picture! Get this on camera! This will be on YouTube tonight. All right, Mr. Lane, count those worms. I haven't seen this many worms since my poodle had diarrhea. 8 worms! 8 worms for Clayton Jackson.
Come on, you can do better than
You got worms!
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Kinsey Sherman, 14 worms!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
CJ Hendrick, 12 worms!
I
forgot his name. Yeah. Okay, Zach. Sorry, Zach.
I need another wet wipe.
Alright,
I got blood on my hands.
16.
Zach, 16 worms! All right, clear the buzzers. Here we go. Next question. How many parent-authorized absences are students allowed during the school year? Sydney! 6 is correct! Sydney, what's your team number? 4. Team 4 gets 50 points. As much on their face as you can. Get ready. Get set. Go! Go! Oh, they got 2 already! Oh, my goodness! Somebody call a school nurse! Call a doctor! Oh, my! They're unemployed! Take him with it! Throw it! How much time left, Mr. Love? 35 seconds! Throw that! Just throw it like confetti! You're the winner! You're the winner! Throw it! 20 seconds! 20 seconds! It's coming down to the wire! Oh my goodness, how embarrassed! Get a picture of this, Miss Christie! 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.5, 2, 1, and 50 on Mr. Mason, 35 on Klein. Looks like our winner, Mr. Mason. Mr. Mason, what's your group number? Mr. Mason, what's your group number? 2. Group 2 wins that challenge. What a mess. Here's your question. How many minor infractions equals a major?
3.
3 is correct. What's your team number? 4. Team ready. Get set. Go. It's looking like Robert T. Love got the most pie in the face. What's your number? Team 1. Team 1. Here's your question. What does CAP stand for? Uh-oh, Zach Norton.
Character achievement and pride.
Character achievement and pride. I got it. Zach, what's your group number? 5 ready. I got that. Get set. Go. Just put them on to the... Oh. Oh, you're going to get time with it. Tucker, you got to put it to the side. Or the first person who gets them all out.
First person gets them all out.
Oh! Tucker on the group 4! Group 4's the winner! Tucker falling for Morgan's champion! Here's your question. Tell me one thing that could cause you to get a minor infraction. CJ, a minor infraction.
Bringing your own.
Not bringing your homework correct.
I'd like to present the gift certificate to the middle concession stand. It's for a free Coke and snack at class time. Wait, let's hear it for team number 4.
Great job by all teams.